Hey feds, this question, great question, because you got to know when you retire, how much money is coming in, and does it all work the same, or does every program work differently? And really every program works differently, but they have a lot of similarities. So it's really difficult to understand what works the same as another program and what's different. For example, this question here, is FERS COLA the same as Social Security COLA each year? The answer is no, it's not. Could it be? Yes, it could. So Social Security COLA is based on CPIW. Whatever the Department of Labor comes out with for a year, CPIW, you match it. The only time you match it if you're a FERS employee with your pension is when it's below 2%. So if it's 1.5%, yes, you'll match it and it'll be the same. But if it's not below 2%, if it's between 2 and 3%, you'll just get a flat 2% increase. And if it's above 3%, you'll get CPIW minus 1. So if it's for this year, 2024, it was 3.3. Everyone got 3.3 or 3.2. I don't know. Let's say it's 3.3. Everyone got a 2.3% increase. So no, it doesn't always match it. Does it meet it a lot? You know, is it close to it? Yeah, but if you think about it, at a 3.3% CPIW and only getting a 2.2%, that's only 70% of an increase. That's like getting 70% of your raise. Just an interesting way to think about that. In fact, we have a number of, in our workshops, we think about things in different ways that I don't think a lot of people really grasp and really think about until they come to our workshops. So come join us soon, really soon.